All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're going to be going back inside our Unreal Engine to continue our journey. But let me get and start running this now before I even start ranting. Of course, you know I have something to say. But yeah, so I've come to the conclusion today that after running into some technical difficulties, that I'm going to start debugging whatever topic I'm interested in ahead of time. So before I even dive into a topic, I'm just going to research debugging and what all goes into debugging, whatever issues may arise, and whatever topic I may be interested in this field of technology. Because of course I did run into some errors here with this Unreal Engine, but again I'll walk you through the process as we run into them right now. So as you can see, this is the first issue here. This isn't really an issue because I was getting this yesterday. So I went ahead and pushed yes. It'll take you to the browser where you can download the drivers. I did that yesterday. Everything was working fine. I made videos. You saw the videos I made. You saw me inside the environment. You saw me moving around. You saw me doing things, etc., etc. But for some reason, I'm not going to blame it entirely on the engine, but for some reason it's been crashing all day for me. Maybe it's because I am in a new location. I'm not at my regular location with the regular Wi-Fi. I'm assuming that this Wi-Fi is pretty weak where I am now. I am in motion. I'm handling some business, so yeah, this Wi-Fi may be a little. See, look here it is. It crashed right off the backs. GPU crash or D3D device removed. Check log for GPU state information. This has been happening all day. I'm not sure exactly why. Like I said, I am in a new location today. I was traveling, so I decided to try a new spot. And even the editor was acting funny when I tried to bring the edit up to make this video. So I'm just gonna chalk it up to the Wi-Fi here. I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed and hope that's what it is. Because like I said yesterday, we ran into this issue, and I downloaded the drivers that it told me to download, and I moved forward, and everything worked well. We got inside the environment, and we were able to do what we were able to do. You saw the video proof of that. Now, for some reason, that's not working today like I get. I do want to just chalk it up to the Wi-Fi. I'm hoping that's what this is about because I did install the drivers and I did everything it told me to do, and we're still having this issue today. So yeah, this is that's what happens when it crashes, and that's that there. So the entire thing is going to crash out and just crash and burn from there. I'm not sure exactly what. Like I said, the only thing I can chalk it up to is that we're in a new location and the Wi-Fi might not be as strong as it is in my previous recording locations. I really, really hope that's what the issue is because, like I said, I'm just getting started. This is only day two, and I was looking so forward to diving into this Unreal Engine and seeing what we can do with it. But yeah, man, even if it doesn't go through, I do have other things lined up, but again, I don't want to deviate from the Unreal Engine because, like I said, I was very excited about this project, and I want to see if we can do anything to fix this particular issue and see what's going on. Like I said, I don't want to panic all the way. I'm just going to chalk it up to the Wi-Fi right now, and then when I get around my regular location, I should be able to get back to work. I'm assuming, I'm hoping, fingers crossed. Yeah, that's all I can do for you right now is rant and tell you that it's been crashing. Like I said, I'm going to start debugging topics before I even dive into them because I did some troubleshooting and debugging. And of course, this is a major issue that everyone's having between the drivers and the GPUs. So yeah, I should have dived in and see exactly what can go wrong, exploring this field and how to troubleshoot that particular issue. Then I would have been prepared for what's coming up now, because apparently everyone's still having an issue. Is something like the last thing with the Mario Brothers. So like I said, this is all a new field. Anyway, all this technology is new. So of course it's not going to play well right out of the box. There's going to be some tinkering and working around with, and I expect that. I understand. I respect it. It's all part of the journey. It's just that I wish I had dived in and troubleshooting aspect of it from the beginning, so I didn't get my hopes up on just getting into the project and moving full speed ahead. But yeah, so I'm not going to stop getting into the Unreal Engine at all. Like I said, I'm just going to chalk it up to the Wi-Fi for now. Keep my fingers crossed. Let me try to run it again while I'm talking just for now. But yeah, I'm gonna try to chalk it up to the Wi-Fi situation right now. Like I said, we didn't do anything different. I upgraded my Windows 11. That does shouldn't do anything. I installed the Visual Studio Code, downloaded the Python, did all of that stuff. As usual, nothing changed. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on. Like I said, the main culprit should be the Wi-Fi. And you can see this is popping up here. I actually did this yesterday. I can click on the get started and it should tell me that I'm already up to date. like it did earlier because I did already update the drivers. Download now. It shouldn't say download now because I already downloaded the driver here, and it should tell me that she's checking my system now, scanning the system, and it should say, "Hey, you're ready. Look, your Intel drivers and software up to date." So everything is good. It's not the software. It should just be the Wi-Fi. Like I said, the only thing that changed is the location I'm at. So yeah, we're just gonna chalk it up to that for now. And when I get around my usual coding location, we're gonna dive back in and see what we can do. But again, like I said, this was a night that was supposed to be filled with learning new things and exploring new options and avenues inside of the Unreal Engine. But of course, we're debugging as always. I can't escape it. I'm going to be a debugging programmer at the end of the day, I guess above all. But that was just my update for now. Of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. Now, for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.